All right, today I have a Ford Mustang Mach E, and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular Ford Mustang Mach E. All right, but before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so inside the Ford Mustang Mach E, in order to open up the hood, I'm going to show you how to do it. Some people say call it a hood, some people call it the frunk, okay, because it's at the front of the vehicle. Well, either way, I'm going to show you how to open it. So, sitting behind the steering wheel, the vehicle in park, okay, I could turn it off if I want to, but it's hot outside, so I'm going to keep the vehicle on while I do this. Now, it's important for you when you're doing this, make sure your car is off when you're doing this and in park. All right. So behind the steering wheel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look towards the feet. And do you see this lever right here or this pulley right here? I'm going to show you. Let me open the door so I can get closer to it. Okay. All right. I'm going to get down here. And so do you see this right here? I don't, something's beeping. It's beeping. All right, quit beeping. It quit beeping. So you see this right here. This is the lever for opening up the hood right here. Now you're probably sitting back, at home or on your couch or even in your car, and you need to open the hood and you can't quite figure it out, right? So I'm going to show you. There is a 2 right here, and this 2 right here, 2 times, is indicative for something special. Okay, so with a hood, there's an opener where it opens the hood, but there is a safety latch feature which prevents the hood from flapping open. Say, for instance, if you accidentally open the hood while you're driving or you forget to close it all the way. So there's a safety latch that can prevent accidents from happening and keep you safe. And this has this built in right here, the safety latch built in with this lever right here, whereas most cars actually have the safety latch in the front underneath the hood and you have to search for it. So I'm going to show you how to open the hood and then the safety latch with this. And so with that 2 right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lever and I'm going to pull it towards me until I hear a pop. I heard that pop right here, and then I released it. Okay, so the hood is open. Okay, so the hood is open. So I'm going to go to the front and show you. Now, if you pull it, right, just once, you cannot lift up the hood. Okay, it is cracked right here, but you cannot lift it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back around here, and with this, I'm going to pull it yet a second time. And the second time actually releases the safety latch. Okay, so you hear that? Another slight pop to it. So remember, in order to open the hood, you're going to pull it once and then twice, just like that. And so after I pulled it twice, I'm going to walk back around to the front of the vehicle. Walk around to the front of the vehicle. And then I'm going to go ahead and raise it. Okay, and so here is the hood. Okay, I just opened up the hood, also called the frunk, to access the frunk of the vehicle. All right, so this is the space that it has in it. Pretty overwhelming, right? Kinda, sorta, not really. Anyway, it's opened up, and I believe this button right here is the safety latch. Say, for instance, you have people hiding in the frunk. I don't know who would want to hide in the frunk, but I believe that is the safety button to open it if you're inside. All right, and so when I'm done with it, I just go ahead and take this, and I am going to shut it. Okay, should have used a little bit more strength in it, but now it's shut. And that is how you open the hood on a Ford Mustang Mach E. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.